Hi and welcome to this very short tutorial on a new feature introduced inside of Spec 5 R6 version 2, so the maintenance update for version 5 R6. Now the new feature is called Distribute Nodes and it can be found in the right mouse click menu of the node graph under the alignment submenu Distribute Nodes, or it is hotkeyed by default to Ctrl Alt and D. So if I select a bunch of nodes and press Ctrl Alt D, I get this dialog that allows me to space out nodes with an even distribution and consistent distances in between nodes. So if I just do a distance X, for example, you can see the nodes get spaced out with the same distances. You can also pre-align the nodes, in which case they snap all to the same row. And obviously I can also do this for Y and increase this here a little bit and have a nice ladder effect going. If I do the same thing inside of a backdrop, you can also contain this effect to not leave the backdrop. So here, if I have contain and parent backdrop on, the nodes will not be allowed to leave the backdrop. So you can see here, I get a message saying reduce node distance to contain them in the backdrop. Now, how is this different to using, for example, the right mouse click Autoplace option? Well, in this case here, I have a bunch of separate nodes that have no connection to each other. And in this case, for example, the Autoplace would not do anything, while the distribute nodes obviously will still distribute them evenly. In general, the distribute nodes is aware of node streams, so nodes that are connected to each other, but it also works obviously with separate nodes.